What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. I'm going to do a survey on this site, Paid Viewpoint, a site where you can take surveys and you will never get disqualified. I'm going to do a survey live for you just to show you that, it's available for me. I'm going to complete it and I'm going to get credited for it. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to cash out, show you the cash out process. So first, let me go into this survey. You see here, I have one survey available. I will click on it. The surveys here, they do not take a long time. I would say at the most, they're like, maybe 10 questions or so. So you just go through, just answer the questions accordingly. Just the thing about it is with this survey, you don't have to lie because like I say, you're not getting disqualified and you will be credited. So if a survey is there for you, you will make money with it. It's not one of those sites where, there's a survey available for you, but you have to qualify for it. If it's there, that means you've already qualified. So I'm going to just continue to answer these questions. You see here now I'm on question 4, screen 4. So once it's done, obviously, I'll show you like the cash out process. But, the surveys here, they're very easy. There are not a lot of surveys on here where you have to actually, type anything. They're more just, multiple choice. So you see here like picking different slides, stuff like that. So keep going. And right there, the survey's done. I got 10 cents for doing that. It took me like 30 seconds. So not a lot of time at all. You see here now I have 6,008 cents on my account. I'm going to show you the cash out process, clicking on dashboard. Then I'll click on the money sign. And you'll see here the different options you can have as far as cashing out. They got PayPal, Amazon, Walmart gift card, eBay, CVS, and Target. I like to go PayPal. It's a minimum of $5 in order to cash out here. So I'll just click on cash out now via PayPal. And it will cash out your entire balance. So you'll get all your money into your PayPal account within the next day or so. So it doesn't take a long time to get paid. So just a real quick video I wanted to show you on this Paid Viewpoint. I've been using it for a very long time. I made a good money with it. You see here, I've made over $400 using it. Just taking easy surveys and never get disqualified. So if you want to sign up for a survey provider like this, I will leave the link in the description. It is completely free. Sign up today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.